Greetings, Korbanth fans. I'm going to demonstrate how to work the N-Pixel Depa89. Now you'll notice on our site we have two different Depa sabers. Each one is made by a different saber manufacturer. This one here, the Depa89, is a little bit more of a darker charcoal, and it has two working buttons. Whereas the other one, the other Depa saber that we have, has a little bit more bluish gray into it, and it's a one-button saber with a jewel. So other than that, they're pretty much about the same. So when you first get your Depa89, go ahead and unscrew this bottom pommel. And if the chassis doesn't slide out, put your finger down inside here and just gently push, and it'll come right out. Now, you have a removable battery, the on-off switch, and your profi board. You'll notice that there's two buttons, one here and one here. So this button is higher up on the chassis than this one because you have a button that's higher up on the saber. So this would go in, it would go in like this. You want the button that's upper to be closer to the button here, so it'll go in this direction. So when you put this in, turn it on. Now, don't touch these metal pins to anything on the metal bodies. Just go ahead and slide. If it gets stuck or it doesn't go any further, twist it until you find the groove. It can't go in wrong. It has a groove, so it'll go in. So push it as far as it'll go. Then go ahead and put the cap on.
While I'm not sure fun is the sentiment I would express.
So one button turns it on, and hold it to turn it off. Of course, this upper button over here changes fonts.
Well, good against remotes is one thing. Good against the living, that's something else.
Your eyes can deceive you. Don't trust them.
So you can put in the blade. Right here is a blade retention screw.
You made a fair move.
Yeah, it's not wise.
If you will not turn to the dark side, then perhaps she will. This party's over. You have lost.
Kid, I'm about to let everyone in on the secret. I can sense your presence.
So if you hold the button down, it deignites. And I think that's about it. If you go to take the blade out and you want to open it up, like I said, you open up this bottom part, and you can gently push with your finger to push the chassis out. You can remove this battery. I highly recommend that you charge the battery overnight, the first night you get it, because the batteries come with an 8% charge, and you really need to get a full charge on this. So, also, these sabers have gesture control. That's where you can just flick you can turn it on and off with movement. So it's a cool little feature, and it's a very nice saber. I really like it. I like both Depas. I like one because it has two buttons, but I like the other one because it has a see-through or a pass-through light jewel, and it's a one button. I've always been kind of fond of the one-button sabers because it's so much easier to use. But, you know, they're just two different versions, two different people's perspective on the same character. And it's great that you can have a choice. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.